All right, now this is the second one I bought, and I've already inserted it into the Wilex enclosure. So this is it, matches properly. Just put this accurate, and this is how it's going to be mounted. I've got the entry input point, which I'm going to bust out of it. I'm going to pop this out and pop this out as well, and I'll be able to insert the cable for the input and also insert the cable for the output. Now I just want to put this second one to a test. I'm sure you must have seen the previous video, and the reason why I'm just sharing this aspect with this because I want you to see how it's going to look by the time it is mounted, which I'm going to share with you later on by the time I insert the cables and put it up. But I want to check this one to make sure it comes with the backlight. If it doesn't, I may have to decide what I want to do, whether to return it or click some kind of refund. So let's get started with this. I just want to give this one a test, and to pop it out from the enclosure, you just need to put a screwdriver and push this out, and you'll be able to take it out. So I'm going to take out the cable from the other one that I tested earlier in the previous video, and I'm going to pop the cables into this one. So I'm just going to pause this video for now. Alright guys, so I'm testing the second one. This is the first one. I've already popped it out. And the bulb is already in place, and all I need to do now is connect this one to the power supply, and the reading has come up, and it seems like it doesn't have a backlight as well. There's no backlight, so I'm really disappointed because I specifically chose the one with the backlight, despite the fact that it took over 2 months to arrive. A little bit disappointed, but I'm happy that it is working. The digits are visible. I can see them. I can read them. Okay, I think it's much clearer here. So the light bulb that I put in there is 9.5, and this is giving me some accurate measurement in terms of the voltage, the amps for the amp consumption for that from the bulb. That is like 0.03. That's why you cannot see any data right now as you're looking at it, but in terms of the voltage we can see that 9.5. so that's pretty cool. I will write to them just to share my concern about the fact that it doesn't have the backlight. Thank you guys. Bye bye now.